Question number 13. Find the equation of the right bisector of the line segment joining the points 3, 4 and -1, 2. So in this question, we have to find the equation of the right bisector. This right bisector passing through the line segment. Line segment joining the points 3, 4 and -1, 2. See, look at this picture. Look at this picture. See, this is the line segment. What is its name? AB. AB. So, what are the coordinates? Its coordinates are 3, 4 and these coordinates is -1, 2. So, this is the right bisector. What is its name? PQ. PQ is the right bisector. So, we have to find the equation of this PQ and the midpoint. This point is a right bisector. Right bisector. Slope of the line segment AB is equal to, it is represented by M through the points. What are the points? 3, 4 and -1, 2 is given by y2 minus y1 all divided by x2 minus x1. So, what is y2 here? y2 is 2 minus 4 all divided by -1 minus 3. -1 minus 3. So, we get -2 divided by -4. So, we get like this, which is equal to minus will cut off. So, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is equal to how much? Which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Is it clear for you? Okay. Here two lines, that is AB and PQ. The right bisector are perpendicular to each other. So their slopes, what are their slopes? M1 into M2. M1 into M2 is equal to -1. So M1 is how much? M1 is 1 by 2. M1, this is M1. 1 by 2 into M2 is equal to how much? -1. So M2 is equal to -2 we get, isn't it? So next we have to find midpoint of AB using midpoint formula. So what is midpoint? Using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is x1 here? X1 is 3 plus -1 by 2 comma y1 is how much? 4 plus 2 by 2. So after simplifying we get 2 by 2 comma 6 by 2 we get, which implies 2 by 2 is 1 comma 3. So coordinates of midpoint, we represented it by M. Midpoint is represented by M. Since PQ passes through M 1, 3, therefore the equation of the right bisector PQ is given by the equation y minus y naught is equal to M into x minus x naught. So what is y minus y naught is how much? Y naught is 3 is equal to M minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay. So then we have to remove the bracket. So we get like this, -2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into -1 we get +2. So Next step we have to y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So we have to transpose this minus 2x to this side. Okay, so it becomes plus 2x. This transpose, this becomes minus. So we get like this. Arrange this equation, which implies 2x plus y minus, add this, so minus 5, which is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Question number 14. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from a point minus 1, 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So what is the question? We have to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. See, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. Solution we can write. Solution. So this is the line. What is the equation of this line? 3x minus 4y minus 16. This is the equation of the line. A perpendicular line, that is PQ. Okay. This perpendicular line PQ passes through the point minus 1, 3 and its coordinates of foot of the perpendicular. Foot of the perpendicular, that is Q. Its coordinates are AB. So we have to find the coordinates of AB. Okay. We have to find the coordinates of AB. Is it clear for you? Okay. Using the formula y is equal to mx plus c, we can find the slope of the line. Equation of the line AB is equal to 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. It is given. So we have to find the slope of this line. Slope. So it is represented by slope of the line AB is represented by m1. So let's do 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have to transpose this minus 4y to this side. Okay. So we have 3x minus 16 is equal to 4y. So we can write 3x minus 16 whole divided by 4 is equal to y. So we get which implies y is equal to 3 by 4x minus 16 by 4. 16 by 4 we get a minus 4 we get. Is it clear for you? Therefore m1 is equal to how much? m1 is equal to 3 by 4 we get. Is it clear for you? Similar way, we have to find the slope of m2 also. Okay. Let's find the slope of PQ. So what are the coordinates of P? Minus 1, 3. What are the coordinates of Q? A, B. So we have to find PQ, slope of PQ. Okay, let's do slope of PQ. Slope of PQ, its coordinates are minus 1, 3 and AB respectively. Therefore, slope of PQ is equal to y2 minus y1 whole divided by x2 minus x1. So, what is y2 here? Y2 is b minus 3 we can write. B minus 3 whole divided by a minus minus 1. So we get like this. b minus 3 divided by a plus 1. So slope of, therefore slope of PQ, slope of PQ, it is represented by M2. PQ which is equal to M2. It is represented by M2 which is equal to what? B minus 3 whole divided by A plus 1. We can write, isn't it? If two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Their slopes M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So what is M1? We already find that it is 3 by 4. What is M2 here? P minus 3 divided by A plus 1 which is equal to minus 1. Okay, we have to simplify it. Okay, 3 in bracket B minus 3 whole divided by 4 into A plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, we have to simplify it. So we get it, which implies 3b minus 9 whole divided by 4a plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Just cross multiply it. So we get which implies, so after simplifying we get like this, 3b minus 9 divided by 4a plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Just cross multiply, we get like this, 3b minus 9 is equal to minus 1 in bracket 4a plus 4. So 3b minus 9 equals, remove the bracket, minus 4 minus 4a minus 4 we get. Okay, then transpose this 4a to this side, so we get 4a plus 3b. So transpose this 4 to this side, so it becomes plus 4 which is equal to 0 we get, which implies 4a plus 3b minus 5 which is equal to 0. Okay, this is, we can put this as equation number 1. Then since the point Q, its coordinates AB lies on the line, line. So what is the line here? 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the line. Okay, so 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So you have to put, because since this point AB satisfies this equation, so we have to put the value for x. So 3 in place of x we have to put this a minus 4b minus 16 is equal to 0 we get. So this we have to put equation number 2. After this we have to solve equation 1 and 2. We have to solve equation 1 and 2. Let's do 4a plus 3b minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3a minus 4b minus 16 equals 0. This is equation number 1 we can write. This is equation number 2. Then multiply equation 1 by 3. Okay, So multiply equation number 1 by 3. So we get like this. This is the equation number 1. So we have to multiply it with the 3. So we get like this. 3 4s are 12a, 3 3s are 9b, 3 5s are minus 15, which is equal to 0. 0 into 3 we get 0 only. Multiply equation 2 by 4. So what is the equation here? 3 minus 4b minus 16 by 4. So we get like this. 4 in bracket 3a minus 4b minus 16, which is equal to 0 into 4. So here we get 12a minus 16b. 4 4s are minus 16b minus 64, which is equal to 0. Solving equation 3 and equation 4, that is equation 3 minus equation 4. So 12a plus 9b minus 15 is equal to 0. 12a minus 16b minus 64 is equal to 0. So 12a minus 12a. So we get this term as 0. 9b minus 16b. So it becomes plus. So we get 25b. We get here plus 64 minus 15, we get 49, which is equal to 0 we get, isn't it? So transpose this 49 to this side. So we get 25b is equal to minus 49. So b is equal to minus 49 by 25 we get, isn't it? Substitute for b in equation 1. What is equation here? 4a plus 3b minus 5, which is equal to 0. So 4a plus 3b is equal to transpose this minus 5 to this side. So we get like this. 4a plus 3b is equal to 5 we get. Okay. 4a plus 3. What is the value of b? We already find that it is minus 49 by 25, which is equal to 5 we get, isn't it? So taking LCM we get 100a, which implies 100a plus, so 3 into minus 47, so it becomes minus 147 whole divided by 25 is equal to 5 we get. So just cross multiply we get, which implies 100a minus 47 is equal to 25 into 5 is equal to 125. Okay. So we get, which implies 100a is equal to 125 plus 47. 125 plus 147. So we get 125 plus 147 is how much? So we get 7 5s are 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 7 272 we get, which implies a equals 100a is equal to 272. A equals, which implies A is equal to 272 by 100, which implies A is equal to 272. So simplify this. We get 136 divided by 50. We get. Again, 2 is the common factor here. So again we can simplify it as 68 we get. 68 into 2 we get 136 and 225. So we can write therefore the required coordinates of foot of the perpendicular is Q in bracket, its coordinates are AB. So what is the coordinate of A here? 68 by 25 and B minus 49 by 25. This is the answer. Is there any doubt? Thanks for watching.